All right, so special thanks to our friends over at Syncwire who were nice enough to send us their mini car charger. Nothing around the box. In the back, it just has the specifications. You can see it has a USB-A and a USB-C, and it kind of gives you information on if they're shared or if just one is being used. So for example, the USB-C can max out at 30 watts just being used by itself. So let's open this one on up, take a look at it. Have here. All right, so that's the actual plug. Wow, that is tiny. Dang, hold on. And then that's it for the box. Little typical user's manuals, and then a pretty nice Syncwire branded cable. Very, very nice cable. See how long this is. This is, I'd say it's about a 4-foot cable. And then lastly, there it is, the mini car charger. So as you can see, this would just go right into your cigarette lighter, and then you have the full USB-A port at the top as well as the PD30 port at the bottom. So absolutely amazing. Really, really love the size. I don't think I've ever seen a cigarette lighter car charger this small. So it's nice that it comes with the cable. If you have an iPhone, you would of course just need a USB-C to lightning cable. But in the end, small, tiny, super fast charging. Absolutely love it. So that should do it for this Syncwire mini car charger. Thanks again to Syncwire. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.